This next week, will XRP see a comeback after hitting a new yearly low of approximately 50 cents? By the way, prominent cryptocurrency trading site Bitrue, based in Singapore, has urged players in the market to take into account the present price of XRP and possibly buy more before it experiences a parabolic price increase. Not only that, but in case you missed it, a Ripple developer proposed changing the XRPL Foundation's membership and governance structure inside the XRP Ledger ecosystem, sparking debate and the departure of validators. I'll be sharing with you the community's response, the CTO of Ripple's comment, and a thorough analysis of everything. Lastly, a significant figure in the XRP community has expressed a different opinion about the XRP spot ETF. But given XRP's initial trend, should we anticipate the spot ETF this year? Since the beginning of the year, XRP's price has been volatile. Over the weekend, it fell from 62 cents to a new yearly low of 50 cents. XRP has taken a beating, down 16% in the last month, but the drop is consistent with the larger correction in the cryptocurrency market that has ensued after the U.S. government approved spot Bitcoin ETFs. However, according to Matthew Dixon, CEO of the well-known cryptocurrency evaluation site Avi, things will soon turn around for XRP. Dixon noted that before XRP begins to rise into a greater area, it may fall back a little. In a recent article on X, Dixon predicts that XRP will fall to about 52 cents using the 1-hour timeframe chart, and then it will surge toward the area above 54 cents. Achieving that fresh local high might lay the stage for more advances in XRP over the next several days. Notable is also the fact that XRP is leading the widely used Relative Strength Index, RSI, which is used to predict changes in price and momentum. The indicator now indicates that XRP is oversold at its 52 cents market value. Not only does the technical analysis suggest that XRP will rebound, but it's also important to notice that some of the reasons for the cryptocurrency's decline are beginning to turn around. For instance, following the post-ETF dump, which caused prices to plunge, the Bitcoin market seems to be rebounding. If the market keeps rising, XRP might be able to recover all of its recent losses. A further indication of a slowdown in dumps from big whale addresses comes from the recent price consolidation of the asset. These better circumstances might allow XRP to mount a resurgence. Notably, if this doesn't happen, XRP could lose its position as the fifth largest cryptocurrency asset by market capitalization to USDC. With a current market valuation of $26.1 billion, the stablecoin is only $2.4 billion behind XRP in the rankings. Remember to click the notification bell and subscribe to our channel if you want to be the first to know about new developments about XRP. Bitrue, which is well known for its ardent support of XRP, declared on social media platform X that there is always a chance to invest in XRP. Purchasing XRP is always a good idea, declared the pro-XRP exchange. Although Bitrue's post might imply that those who haven't yet seen the potential of XRP may always have a chance to enter the market, it might also have a negative undertone. Reactions from the crypto community highlight the post's negative undertone. They maintained that the fact that the price of XRP is still constant and unchanged supports Bitrue's analysis. That's accurate, said an on-chain investigator going by the X username Mr. Huber. Purchasing XRP is always a good idea because it will always be available at reasonable prices. Similar thoughts were expressed by another commenter, who said that one may find XRP for the same or less money if they return in 10 years. The poster firmly stated that because XRP might not see much movement or increase soon, it would never be too late to purchase the asset. Notably, opinions on XRP's stablecoin trajectory intensified in the latter quarter of 2023, particularly when prominent cryptocurrencies such as XRP facilitated rapid expansion while XRP stayed comparatively unchanged. Furthermore, studies showed that the market price of XRP, which is currently 52 cents, exactly matched its price 5 years ago. It compares the trajectory to competitors like Cardano and Ethereum, which have grown by more than 1,000% in the same time frame. Supporters of XRP first defended the company's terrible performance in the SEC litigation. Though its price has only been inflated and dumped, the digital asset has won the litigation. In essence, the XRP Army's persistently negative trajectory has fueled their dissatisfaction, with many believing they will be left out of the impending crypto bull market. Additionally, the XRP Ledger Foundation's governance structure needs to be significantly changed, according to David Fueling, Director of Software Engineering at RippleX. A strategy for establishing a community-led governance structure is outlined in the proposal. Supporting the growth of the XRPL ecosystem is the nonprofit XRPL Foundation. Fueling, however, feels that the organization is unclear about the rights and obligations of members, which is why they are calling for clear regulations. Fueling emphasized in his proposal the necessity for an improved membership structure. Elections for the board of directors and membership criteria are unclear, according to the RippleX creator. Therefore, he aims to implement a novel electoral system. The proposal's main objectives are to guarantee governance transparency, promote greater participation from interested parties, and boost representation for XRPL ecosystem members inside the XRPLF. The addition of 3 membership classes, individual, corporate, and sustaining, is one of the suggested modifications. There are differences in the annual membership dues for each class based on their unique membership benefits and qualifying requirements. Notably, there would be an annual 75 XRP fee that individual members would have to pay. Businesses with 1 to 10 employees might pay 500 XRP annually for corporate members, while larger businesses would pay more, up to 500,000 XRP. At roughly 1 million XRP, the sustaining member would make the largest payment. To attract individual, corporate, and sustaining members, Fueling suggests having a diverse group of directors on the board. The minimal number of community, business, and sustainability directors on the board would be 3. The proposal also specifies the terms of office for the directors. Sustaining directors are appointed by their respective sustaining members and have no term limit. Community directors have 2-year terms, corporate directors have a 1-year term, and so on. The CTO of Ripple, David Schwartz, praised Fueling for making the proposition more understandable for the general public in response to Fueling's essay about it. Before making the plan public, Fueling had privately discussed it with Schwartz and the XRPL, according to Schwartz. The XRPLF received a positive reception, as stated by the Ripple CTO. He did, however, emphasize that Fueling was free to make the proposition. Schwartz underlined that while the idea is out for debate, the community is not required to adopt it as is. So, is Ripple assuming control? However, some people have not taken the plan well, even though Fueling has acknowledged that it is open to debate, suggestions for improvement, and involvement from the larger community. Interestingly, they think the plan is an attempt to acquire Ripple. OnLedger.net questioned the idea on several points. One of these was the sustaining member, which he thinks can only be Ripple because it's probably the only company that can afford the $1 million XRP charge. There are worries that the plan might be an attempt by Ripple to take over this role because the sustaining member has the authority to designate a sustaining director who would serve on the board indefinitely. Still, this is only conjecture. Some validators have chosen to exit the ecosystem as a result of this move, notably Alloy Networks, as Crypto Airy made the first observation. Since Alloy Networks is one of just 3 companies offering peering servers, she emphasized the company's importance to the ecosystem. Claims that Alloy Networks' exit was due to an unreasonable, furious whim were denied. The team made it clear that, in such a scenario, they would not be gradually discontinuing their Zafod infrastructure, rather, they would remove it immediately. The team also urged profit-making organizations using the XRPL ledger to make infrastructural contributions. This remark has led to the conjecture that one of the reasons for the exodus may be the absence of incentives for infrastructure providers on the XRPL. Notably, the XRPL lacks direct incentives for infrastructure suppliers or validators, in contrast to other blockchains. Another infrastructure provider, short the FOMO, revealed plans to scale out its involvement in the XRPL and decommission 2 mainnet nodes under its control. Which would make the best bonus? Ari claimed on her YouTube channel that the XRPL is not doing so well with the theory that no incentive is the best incentive, which holds that anyone supplying infrastructure should do so out of love for the network rather than financial gain. Ari concurred with Alloy Network's recommendation that companies using the XRPL make an infrastructure provisioning contribution. Another RippleX developer, Mayuka Vadari, responded to Ari by saying that she liked this particular aspect of Fuelink's idea. She claimed that it would stimulate funding from many sources, some of which would be companies using the XRPL. She mentioned that supporting infrastructure might receive a portion of the funds. In response to the new problem, another well-known member of the XRP community, Radhof Kahneman, claimed that the problems were more of a business than a network issue. He did, however, acknowledge that he lacked commercial experience. Now for the day's main query, is it reasonable to anticipate this year's spot ETF based on XRP's initial trend? Remember to click the notification bell and subscribe to our channel if you want to be the first to know about new developments about XRP. XRP CryptoWolf, a prominent figure in the XRP community, has shared his thoughts on the potential trigger for the next XRP bull run and the timing of the XRP ETF debut on Twitter. Following the SEC's approval of the spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund in mid-January, the cryptocurrency community started to look forward to the introduction of an Ethereum-based spot ETF. Some even started discussing the possibility of an XRP spot ETF. Nevertheless, it appears that neither will be released anytime soon. The SEC regulator postponed last week's judgment regarding Ethereum ETFs on the spot for the massive BlackRock and Grayscale companies. Like it recently did with Bitcoin Trust, the latter plans to turn Ethereum Trust into a spot-based exchange-traded fund. According to the aforementioned Twitter account XRP CryptoWolf, which has 319,500 followers on this well-known platform, it seems doubtful that an XRP ETF will be approved this year for the cryptocurrency community. Furthermore, not even Ripple Labs, the authorized market distributor of XRP, has applied for it. A well-known member of the XRP community remarked that an XRP ETF debut this year would be way too soon, pointing out that it took the Bitcoin ETF many years to receive regulatory permission. For many years, Grayscale has been attempting to do that. According to XRP CryptoWolf, this means that there will likely be another catalyst for the anticipated XRP bull run that the community anticipates happening shortly. The cryptocurrency tracker Whale Alert has revealed that a substantial amount of XRP was moved from an unknown wallet to the well-known exchange Bitstamp earlier today. A total of 27,700,000 XRP, valued at $14,400,300, were deposited. Most commenters on the post think this is a whiny whale selling their XRP hoard out of impatience and with paper hands. However, according to the transfer data made available by the Bithomp site, the sender address is associated with Ripple. Although the motives for this XRP transfer are yet unknown, they occur every week. Frequently, a comparable quantity of XRP is sent to Bitso, a sizable cryptocurrency exchange located in Mexico. Now, please share your opinions with me in the comments section. Verify that you enjoy the video, and don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe. This is a huge assistance for the YouTube algorithm. Additionally, by forwarding this video to as many people as you can aid in enlightening others in the same way that you have been enlightened. Guys, let's spread this word far and wide. If you truly love cryptocurrencies, make sure to read all of our material. I'll see you tomorrow to discuss the most recent news that affects our community as a whole.